when I graduated law school and when I started working, the first lesson was a law degree was only my ticket into the game. Sometimes there's this big accomplishment that we'd feel, and it's absolutely valid to feel that, like after you graduate law school and now you can start practicing as an attorney, and I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. The reality is that you've just punched your ticket into the game. Now you're allowed in there, and now you can build the type of life and career that you want. That means you're gonna have to work, right? So the work doesn't end when you graduate law school. It's your chance to work harder than you ever have. That is the beginning of the type of life and career that you want. So you can build it, however, but it's going to require a lot of work. As I started off, right, it helped me sort of have that mentality because, you know, it eliminated any sort of feelings of entitlement that I may have had when I hadn't yet earned things. And that doesn't mean that we shouldn't have good things or like we can expect good things. No, absolutely. But you know, maybe there were things within the firm when I started that I hadn't yet earned something, like being able to like leave early all the time, right? Hey, look, there's some 20-year partners, 30-year partners that had put in their time.
For sure.
And yeah, like sometimes they do leave early, so come in later, and you're like, well, yeah, because they have this sort of track record. And I could look at that and kind of go like, no, but that's what I want too. So like, I'm also going to do the same thing. And it's like, well, I can, right? But I'll miss out on the learning process that's going to help me get there. So that helped me in the very beginning. I was like, hey, look, I have a ticket. I'm now a part of this industry, and now I can craft the life and career that I want. And so it was like working hard. It was spending, you know, late nights there. It was doing all that because I was also learning.